Hello everybody, it's Brandon here from the T-Storm Chasers, just coming at you with a new weather video, just going over some current conditions and what's going to be happening over the next couple of days, just with this weather system that's coming in. Just quickly going to go over some current conditions for our area. It is 9:18 p.m. when I'm making this video, at least when I'm starting it. It's 52 in Sioux Falls, 52 in Sioux City, 45 in Rapid City, 45 in Pierre, and 45 in Watertown. So we do see that rain starting to come into our area. This will slowly start to turn into snow as the weather starts to cool down. For the western sides of Nebraska here and for the south central parts of South Dakota, the winds will start to increase earlier for these guys. But we will not be seeing the winds here until midday tomorrow. So let's just get to our pivotal weather here. Just go over some models real quick, and we will go over some models here real quick. So current hazards right now, we do have a winter weather advisory in effect for much of our area, including the Sioux Falls metro area. We also do have a winter storm warning here in effect for parts of south central and southwestern South Dakota. We do have a winter storm watch in effect for southern parts of Minnesota and parts of Iowa. High wind watches and high wind warnings in effect for majority of the rest of the area, and then also a blizzard warning in red for parts of Nebraska and parts of Iowa as well. So quickly heading over to our future track here, we're just going to run this through, timing everything out. So we do see that rain that is currently on the radar. We will see some rain later on tonight that'll push through. Then that banding of snow starts to pack in. We will see some rain here in the area around noon tomorrow first. And then that rain will start to turn into a mix and then into snow. That rain and snow mix will start to push into the area. And as you can see, that area of sharp gradient there, that's the rain snow mixture. That's where most of the snow is going to fall, hence why there's blizzard warnings over there as well. So let's just keep timing this out. As you can see, majority of the snow moves out of the area for Sioux Falls Wednesday at about midnight into about 1 a.m. on Wednesday. We will have a windy day on Wednesday still, but we will see that here in a little bit. So, turning it over to our wind gusts here. Just going to start timing this out. As you can see, that sharp line there, that is the line between where the rain-snow mixture is going to start forming. Now that just builds right in. This is around noon tomorrow. We'll start to see that 36 miles an hour in Sioux Falls there. And then parts of Nebraska could be seeing 60 mile an hour wind gusts as well. So sustained winds probably 20 to 30. Wind gusts into the 60s. As we can move this along here, this is probably peak timing for winds for us here in Sioux Falls. 54 miles an hour here in Sioux Falls. That is Tuesday at 6 p.m. Keeping this going as that wind starts to push out. That's 6 a.m. on Wednesday, still 43 miles an hour here in Sioux Falls, 44 in Sioux City, 37 in Watertown. As you can see on the back end of this, these winds will just start to taper off as the system moves out of the area, and by Wednesday at 6 p.m. we should start seeing that wind just completely die off, and by midnight Wednesday into Thursday it should be completely out of the area. So moving over to our QPF, so this is total like rain and snow. We will see that sharp band of snow, and that'll taper off to just to the south of Sioux Falls here. We're not supposed to get much in the way of snow, and not really much in the way of water either. As you can see, 2 to 3 inches down here in parts of Iowa. We could really use about an inch of that for our area, but On the western side of the system, an inch is possible in south central parts of South Dakota into north central parts of Nebraska here. But we're kind of in the middle to where we're not really going to get much here in the Sioux Falls area. Now, bringing it over here to total snowfall, what most people are more interested in here is we're just going to time this out. We're going to bring this all the way out here to the end of the event here. And now, around an inch here in Sioux Falls, points west of Sioux Falls could see up to 5 to 6 inches, just in slim little bands here. And then points east of Sioux Falls could see up to a foot in some places in Minnesota. Certain tracks here in Iowa could see 6 to 10 inches of snow, hence why there's that blizzard warning. And then also the blizzard warnings are in effect because of the wind speeds. You don't need a lot of snow to create a blizzard. There's such thing called a ground blizzard, where you only get a little bit of snow and the wind just kicks it up and you can't see. So majority of the blizzard warnings down here are in effect because of the wind factor, just because of that. But around an inch here in Sioux Falls, points south 2 to 3 inches. Remote parts of northeast Nebraska could get 4 to 5 inches, but most of our snow that is close to us is going to be right here in north central Nebraska, between 4 to 8 inches of snow, and then central parts of south central parts of South Dakota, between 4 to 8 inches of snow as well. Now, that is all I have for you guys tonight. Just a quick little update. I will be updating again tomorrow through just a Facebook post. Riley will be back at you tomorrow with a weather video. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you